Cool. Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick demo of kind of the current app that I'm working on. Having a lot of fun with it so far. I mean, I'm kind of in the middle of play testing it. This one's for all the Wordle nerds out there. Basically, this app should guarantee you a win at every Wordle game. And the way it works is you enter a word into Wordle and punch in what happened into this application, and it'll narrow down all the words for you based on what you entered. So I'm currently in the middle of play testing it. Everything seems to be okay. So I wanted to demo it out and see how everything worked. So I'm using this link here, hellowordle.net, which is pretty much the entire Wordle library. I've only hit one or two words that weren't actually in the Wordle game. So I'm going to go here and let's just start with any word. Now, this does not matter, right? It does not matter what word you start with or what you're picking, right? And we can see I entered React. We have an R and an E for yellow. So I'm going to enter React. R and the E are yellow, and we'll submit the word, and we get a list of words that are left in the dictionary, right? This is nothing to overthink. Maybe siren here. I'll pick siren next and just enter it in. And let's just go through the same steps. S and the E are yellow, R is green. So R is green, E is yellow. Let's submit that word, and we only have a few words left. Let's try horse. Cool. And worse. So there's that one. Let's try again. How about rails? All right, we got rails. I'm just going to reset the game. In rails, we have the L correct. So let's filter out here. All right, left with a pretty small list. I don't know, whelp here. Let's select whelp and see what happens. Don't like to overthink the words because usually everything works. And based on these letters, this should be a pretty small list as well. All right. I don't know, could. Let's try could. C-O-U-L-D. O-L. Let's try could. So the O and the L, and there's a D in the word. So we got godly or dolly. Let's try godly. It's not. It's actually dolly, you know for sure. Wonderful. There's another win. And you can kind of see, I'm just going to bang these out. It doesn't really matter what you start with here. Let's try. I'll give slick. Let's see. Give us another word, a bunch of words here. Cargo, maybe. Let's try cargo. I don't like to overthink. Play testing, and it's cargo. Wonderful. Let's start with cargo this time. All right. Just like that. Cater, caper, or can. Pretty easy, you know. Game's pretty easy, right? And that's my demo. You can see it's working. I played probably about 500 or 600 games of Wordle and only had a couple little issues where it was wrong. And a couple of those were based on the dictionary that was being brought in into this application. So that's what I got so far. I'm going to keep playing with it, making sure everything works. Probably add some functionality later where it sort of sorts these words that you get, like enter React in. Maybe sort some of these words by common letters. You know, you don't want to be searching like maybe, I don't know, vigil with a V and a double I. You know, maybe add some functionality there, but you know, we'll see. This is what I have so far. It's working. I am about to push it live, so anybody can use the app. Cool. Enjoy.